Hi there. Today's topic, why you are mistaken about the law of attraction. And I'm going to talk about the law of attraction misconceptions. And I want to say to you this, something to think about. You don't attract what you want, but what you are. What's inside you dictates what you attract. And there is really an easy, simple way to learn how to use the law of attraction and to learn how to attract the life you desire, attract the life you want. Who am I? Di from Dice of Healing Hub, as you probably already know. My little channel, How to Life, growing bigger all the time, which I'm really grateful for. And hello to all of you, all the viewers out there. How are you going today? Maybe you are among those who are trying really hard to use different law of attraction programs or attract the life you want, attract the life you desire, and you might be guilty of some of these law of attraction misconceptions. One of them, the biggest one, is that you attract what you want and that it's enough to sort of visualize and, have this picture in your mind of what you want, and then you use the affirmations and that you repeat them, till you get sick of them, and and off you go. But it doesn't work like that. Not at all. You know what I mean? So if you're trying all these things, it doesn't work like that. It never did and it never will, and the reality that we are in is something that we choose at a certain moment in time. I mean, choose. What I mean by that is something that we have inside us at a certain moment in time. What's inside us is everything from our conception down on that we've accumulated over time, or our beliefs, or our thoughts, or our thoughts about what was, what is, what will be, and our, maybe even very deep beliefs that we're not even aware of. For example, rich people are crooks. You need to work hard every day to have a good life. You need to do all the right things, which is go to the right schools, get a right job, marry the right person, have the right house in the right neighborhood, and so on and so on. Which are all the beliefs and thoughts that we have, and thoughts from our society, from the environment that we live in, that we sort of brought into ourselves, and now we think that these are our own thoughts, our own beliefs that could be limiting us. And at a certain point in time, any moment, like right now, this inside us dictates what we attract. What's inside us, what is prevalent inside us, is a certain energy on a certain frequency that attracts, things from the outside world that are on the same frequency. So what do we think and what we believe in is that life is a struggle, that we'll struggle for as long as we live, that there is always something that goes wrong, that we just cannot make it right, that it's just too hard, too difficult, la 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 la. All these thoughts that we might have and all these beliefs that we might have are on a certain frequency, and they attract things in the outside of our physical body on the same frequency. That's why I say we attract what's inside us, and we can repeat certain things or certain type of positive thinking, as they call it. I'm this, I'm that, I'm successful, I'm this. But if what's inside us is something totally different, on a totally different frequency, it's never going to work. What we need to do, what you need to do to attract the life you want is change what's inside you. And you need to understand that even your memories are just the thoughts of something that's happened. What's happened has happened. You cannot change that. But what you can change is the attitude towards what happened. I will just give you a small example. For example, let's say you had a reasonably difficult childhood. You sort of struggled for that. Then you struggled at certain other stages of your life, but you got through it somehow, but it's still hard. Now, your approach could be this. Your approach could be, number one, I'm a struggler. I've struggled since my birth. The things have never gone right for me, and I can't expect anything else from my life. And as a struggler, it's somebody with that sort of an attitude, it's somebody with this sort of a thoughts and frequency inside you, you will attract the same. Doesn't matter what you say, I want this, I want that, or visualize whatever you want. You will attract what's inside you. But you can have the same past, but you can get a totally different approach to it. Saying this, same circumstances. I'm somebody who was born into difficult circumstances, but I'm a fighter. So I fight all the time, and I fought at every stage of my life to improve myself, to get better, and to develop and create and find the life that I deserve, because I know that this life is out there waiting for me, and it just needs me to find it, and I am on the way to find it. I'm working towards it every day, and I will. I'm a winner. You see, same circumstances, same past, but totally different approach to the same thing. It changes everything. The energy, your attitude, the way you think about things and about yourself is totally different. And what you attract from the outside world is totally different too. That's why the outcome of your life will be totally different. That's what you need to do. Whatever you visualize, or whatever you want for yourself or desire for yourself, and is out there, because it is out there. It's just a question of you connected with it. You have to feel this with your whole body. It's not just enough to see some picture in your mind and to just mechanically, repeat certain things. I'm this, I'm that, I'm successful, I've got a good relationship, I've got a lot of money, blah, 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 blah. No, you have to feel how you are going to feel and how you're feeling already being that person who is successful, person who is grateful for everything in their life, person who is happy with the life they have. And even if the life is hard at the moment, we're still happy because we know that we are progressing every day and we're doing the right steps every day to get to where we want to be, and that there is already enough in our life to be grateful for and thankful for, and that we can achieve peace and love and gratitude any moment in our life, regardless of our circumstances. This is where we need to find ourselves on a daily basis. This is what we need to experience on a daily basis and put it into ourselves. And once we do that, what we attract from the outside will be more of the same. So just remember that. First, you need to work on your inside and make your inside positive, vibrant, have the right approach to everything that's already happening in your life and to everything that you can still expect from your life. And know that all the good things are out there. Maybe you just haven't connected with them yet, but you are on a way to do it, and you can connect with it right now in this moment. You can connect with something good, something positive, something wonderful. You can feel gratitude for all the good things in your life that you already have and you already had, and you will have again and again and again and more. You see, this is why every moment is so important. We can feel this abundance, this great life, this gratitude, this love, this peace in any moment of our life. And the more we can extend these moments through time, the more we will attract the same and more of the same. These good things, positive vibes will be coming into our life, and we'll be creating more and more, not creating, but connecting with the good things out there that already exist. That's why we say it is really all possible. It is possible. We just need to lift ourselves on the right frequency and attract it to us, connect with it. It's already out there. And just, you can really believe it at any moment in time, and just start now. And then do it regularly on a daily basis. Experience these moments of gratitude, love, peace, and extend them. Do things on a daily basis that you enjoy, small things. Doesn't need to be anything big. And then have a picture in your mind. And I don't mean just a visual picture, but a feeling of the life that you're going to live, and experience it in your whole body. And it will already be happening just like right now. And this is how your law of attraction thing will work. And you will be attracting daily more and more and more of the good stuff into your life. What I mean is you will be connecting with more and more of the good stuff out there that's already out there. Because you will lift your own frequency to the level that's necessary to connect with the good things. Instead of the things that are vibrating on a level that you may be now, where there is failure, where there is low self-esteem, where there is, maybe even some sort of a fear, or you know, being scared of what's been and what's to come, and all these sorts of negative feelings that are really destroying us. You know, all we need is already here. We just need to find the right frequency, find it in ourselves, and it's already there. And then when we get on that level, connect with all the good things outside that are already there too. I will talk to you about this much more, and you know, in my future videos. For today, I'm just going to leave a few links underneath my video that you can start using these different, you know, law of attraction programs and different audio types that will connect you with the right frequencies, so that your thoughts and your energy and your sort of what you're experiencing can connect rather sooner than later with all this good stuff that's already vibrating out there. It's already, everything is already there. This is what you need to feel and experience, and the life will open up unbelievably. Thank you. I will talk to you soon. If you want to subscribe to my channel, if you like my videos, or if whatever my topic or what I talk about resonates with you, please just click on the subscribe button, or read the text under the video and maybe click the link to subscribe to my channel. All the best. Talk to you soon.